Okay everyone, so welcome again to one of our tutorials, and in this next lesson I'm just going to show you on how we can go and create a simple shell script that we will be executing inside of our terminal. So if you're not familiar with what shell scripts are, these are simple plain text files that contain series of commands and shell statements that we can use and execute starting from each of the lines. So usually scripts that we write inside of a shell script will be executed starting from the top line moving to the last line. So the way we can create a shell script will be by using a plain text editor. If you're familiar with batch files in Windows, this is almost similar with what batch files are. Those are files that has a .bat extension that contains series of commands that will be executed, that can be executed inside of the command line interpreter. Okay, so let's go and create our simple shell script here by using a plain text editor inside of Kali Linux. So I have nano here. The first thing that I would want to go and type here will be the first line, the shebang line here. So let's bin bash, and I'm going to use a shell built-in command echo discipline turns an ability that turns talent into an ability. Let's go and press Ctrl S. You would see here in the bottom part of the text editor, once you press on Ctrl plus S, it will prompt you with an option to write the file name. So I'm going to name this shell script 1.sh, and I'm going to exit from the nano text editor here by pressing on Ctrl X. Now if I'm going to do the list directory here, you would see that we now have our file here, and it's not yet executable. We will need to change the mode of the file. So when I say that it is not yet executable, if we try to run this, you would see that permission is denied. So we will need to run the chmod command plus X here, and then the file name, which simply means that we would want to go and change mode. It's another way of saying that we want to go and change the permission in executing this command that we have created, the shell script that we have created. So if I go and press enter here and list again, you would see now that the shell script has now turned into green. And if we go and try to do the /shell script .sh again, you would see that the echo shell built-in command displayed the content of the shell script on our terminal, the things that we typed inside of our terminal. So if I do cat shell script 1.sh, you would see that these are the two lines that we've written inside of our nano text editor.